Take a ride in the 2017 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.